A cobra venom extraction facility, more accurately referred to as a venom milking operation, functions under strict protocols for safety and animal welfare. Cobras are housed in controlled enclosures that mimic their natural habitat to minimize stress. Venom extraction is conducted periodically by trained handlers. The process begins by securing the snake with specialized tools, then guiding its head to bite the edge of a plastic-covered glass container. Gentle pressure on the venom glands behind the fangs stimulates the release of liquid venom, which is immediately frozen or freeze-dried to preserve its potency. This dried venom becomes the essential raw material for producing antivenom in pharmaceutical laboratories, as well as for medical and biological research. Before becoming bag material, raw python skin undergoes a lengthy and complex tanning process to transform it from a perishable hide into a durable, supple, and ready-to-use leather. The process starts with soaking and cleaning the skin to remove residual flesh and fat. A key subsequent stage is careful descaling to achieve a smooth texture, or sometimes the scales are preserved for aesthetic purposes. The skin is then immersed in a tanning solution, often chrome-based or organic, which bonds with the skin's protein fibers, preventing decay and imparting flexibility. After tanning, the skin goes through dyeing, conditioning, and drying before finally being glazed or polished to enhance its unique natural pattern. Creating a bag from python leather is a high-end craft that combines technical skill with artistry. Artisans first select skin panels based on consistent pattern, color, and quality for a specific bag design. The bag pattern is cut meticulously, following the scale direction and alignment to achieve a symmetrical and aesthetically pleasing result. The leather pieces are then stitched together by hand or with specialized machines designed for exotic materials. The edges of the leather are typically finished with edge paint for neatness and durability. The assembly process involves constructing the bag body, attaching a lining, inner fabric, and fitting accessories such as zippers, clasps, and straps made from metal or complementary leather. The final product is a luxury bag where each item possesses a unique skin pattern, making it an exclusive and high-value accessory.